What up, guys? It's Yu-Gi-Oh time. Alright, let's do it. We got 6 Legendary Duelist Immortal Destiny Bakura packs here. We'll have a look. We'll have a quick gaze. All these packs have 5 in them. I'm excited. Alright. Oh, sheesh. Oh, sheesh. Alright. Zoma the Spirit. Evil Hero Infernal Gainer. Predaplast. Gimmick Puppet Magnet Doll. And Earthbound Immortal Kapakapu. Crazy. Alright. Now we go pack number 2. Pack number 2. That's how we say it sometimes when we're feeling cultured. Okay. We've got Supe, Roar of the Earthbound Immortal, number 40, Gimmick Puppet of Strings, Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy, and Evil Mind with like some gross like anti-Avion Bastinatrix artwork on it. Nasty. Nah, okay. Pack number 3. We're doing pack number 3. I think I lost one. I didn't. I did, but I found it. Pack number 3. Alright. Ooh. Synchro. Moondragon Quilla. Predaplant Dragostapella. Pelia. Direbound Colonel. Number 40 Gimmick Puppet of Strings. And Dark Sanctuary. This is classy. Too classy. Alright. That was pack 3. Pack 4. Pack. Quattro. Crazy Quattro. Okay. Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy. Earthbound Immortal Wiracocha Raska. Predaplant Justfolium Hydra. Starving Venom Fusion Dragon. And Supe Duskwalker. Oh dang, she looking fancy. Alright. 2 to go. 2 to go. Alright. Oh sheesh. Here we go. Earthbound Immortal Revival. Direbound Colonel. Gimmick Puppet Destroy. Evil Hero Infernal Gainer. Again. That's 3 now. I have at least 3 of these bad boys. I'm a king. And Predaprime Fusion. Yeah. Alright. So finally the last packet. This is how I've been doing it. This is how I've been opening my cards. Scary, ain't it? Alright. We're up to 5. Pack number... No, this is 6. This is pack 6. I fucked that up. Gimmick Puppet Dreary Doll. Dark Necrophia. Direbound Colonel. Gimmick Puppet Terror Baby. No thank you. And Sentence of Doom. I nearly said Sentience. But cool! Alright. Sweet, okay, that's all the cards. Every single card in the whole world is now a part of my collection. I own every card. Every card in the whole world is mine.